अब देखते हैं सुप्रीम कोर्ट। आर्टिकल 124 से 147 पार्ट फिफ्थ। आर्टिकल 124 स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ जजेस। ओरिजिनल सुप्रीम कोर्ट जजेस 1 CJI plus 7 8 judges at present 32 judges। Maximum possible strength is 34 judges 1 CJI plus 133 judges। Basic point: judiciary is India's integrated judiciary is independent. Supreme Court replaced the Federal Court and the Judicial Committee of previous council after Indian gained independence. First shifting 28 Jan 1950, Feudal Code established on 1937 under the provision of Government India Act 1935. Establishment and constitution of Supreme Court. Appointment: judges are appointed by the President after consulting with existing Supreme Court and High Court judges. Tenure: judges will serve until the age of 65. Judges first judge case SP Gupta case 1992. Supreme Court stated that the President must take recommendation from CGI of India, which is not binding to the executive, granting the government significant discretion. Second judge's case 90, the colleague system holding that constitutionally meant currently stated that it was not the CGI individual opinion but an institutional opinion from his consulting with two senior most judges in Supreme Court, and the decision was binding on the President. Third judge's case 1930. Supreme Court on precedent of expanding the colleagues to a five-member body comprising the CJ and four of his senior-most colleagues. Decision of the collegium was binding on the presidents. Parliament replaced the colleague system of National Judiciary Appointment Commission (NJAC) through 99th constitutional amendment to prior recommendation of the president. Fourth Judges Case 2015, Supreme Court declared 99th Constitutional Amendment unconstitutional and null and void, replaced the NGI with the collegium system. Second, a judge may be writing under his hand address to the President resign his office. To be judges to be removed in a manner produced in clause 4. First female judge of Supreme Court, Justice Fatima Baby. First female Chief Justice Supreme Court, no one till now. Qualification: he has been 5 years judges of High Court or two or more such court, has been at least 10 years an advocate of High Court or more such courts, is a distinguished justice in the option of President, citizen of India, removal of judges of Supreme Court on ground of misbehavior, incapacity, removal of method, order of President passed by address of each House of the Parliament, special measure, two-thirds of the present voting member removed. The parliamentary can create law to establish procedure or investing in providing judge misconduct incapacity under clause 4. They take oath before the president. A former Supreme Court judge cannot be practiced in any court before an authorized within the territory of India. Article 125. Salary is determined by parliament, law or privilege, and salary determined by president. Article 124. 6. Appointment by acting Chief Justice. When the position of Chief Justice is vacant or if the Chief Justice is unable to perform the duty due to the absence or other reason, the President obtains other judges from Supreme Court area of responsibility of Chief Justice. Article 120. Appointment of ad hoc judges. The CJI of India can be appointed qualified High Court judge, temporary Supreme Court judge, which they are not enough just to hold a session. She may have all the power, judicial privilege of Supreme Court judge during the period. Article 120. Addition of retired judges at sitting of Supreme Court and advance of the Parliament. Article Supreme Court to be court of equity means that a decision is preserved as a legal standard and it has the authority to punish the concept of itself, repair the refers to court authority to penalize action that disrespect or disobey its order. Article 130. Seat of Supreme Court in constitutional declare Delhi has a seat of Supreme Court. The CJI want to declare any other seat of Supreme Court other than Delhi. It has to be President's permission. Article 31. Original jurisdiction should also executive no other than court can delay. Supreme Court has the power to direct her cases rather than through lower court. It was introduced by 42nd Constitutional Amendment 1976, granted Supreme Court exclusive authority to determine the constitution valid of central laws. However, this was repealed by 47th Third Constitutional Amendment 1970. Disputes between Government of India and one more state, between Government of India and state or two or state on one side or more state on other side, between two or more states. Article applicate jurisdiction by way of appeal for High Court in certain cases in constitutional matter. Article 130 applicate jurisdiction of Supreme Civil matter, property, marriage. Article 130 applicate jurisdiction of Supreme Court in regard to criminal matters. Jurisdiction and power of Federal Court under existing law to be exercised by the Supreme Court. Article special leave to be appealed by Supreme Court, not a privilege. A person can approach Supreme if no power for justice granted in lower courts. Article 130 review of judgment or order by Supreme Court has power to review its own orders. Article 138 Parliament by law can enlarge the jurisdiction of Supreme Court. Article 139 Supreme Court has the power to issue direction orders to it, including rights in the nature of habeas corpus, mandamus, provis quo, and warranto and senator, or any of them, and process other than those mentioned in clause 2 of Article 32. Article 1 accelerates power of Supreme Court can support or help legislature to make law better. Article 134 law declared by Supreme Court to binding on all courts. Enforcement declare an order of Supreme. An example in Bhopal Guest Tragedy, December 3, 1948, which was caused due to methylation and communion carbonate. Supreme Court under Article 1 passed certain decrees. Abolition of separation of power not strict in India. Judicial activism exercise of power judicial review to set aside government acts. Article 140 the power of presidents to consult Supreme Court advisory jurisdiction. President can go to Supreme Court if pre-constitutional matters. Supreme Court advise immediately but not binding on President if matter on general. Supreme Court does advise is not binding. Salaries 125 Article Acting Chief Justice Eductum Article Retired Judge Attendance Court of Record Article at the Delhi seat of High Court 1/3 original salaries power binding laws Article complete jurisdiction advisory civil and judiciary authority to act in aid of Supreme Court Article 1 for rule of court etc can Supreme Court can set its own set of rules for its operate as long as the rules are approved and not conflict with law made by the parliament. This article outlines this when Supreme Court tell the expense opportunities Supreme Court the court offense in staff service conditions EGI set the rules of staff and employment terms such as salaries and expensions. The Supreme Court operates which includes staff salaries, pension are paid for Consolidated Fund of India article for interpretation. The Indian Constitution clarify the and anything legal questions should also be considered GO Act 1930, including its amendment of May under Article 90, Indian Independence Act 1947, order issued under Article High Court Part 7, Article 214 to 31, Article establishing High Court to be court of record. 200 Constitution one Chief Judge and other judges of Parliament may be declared. Allahabad High Court established in 1966. Article 7 216 appointment of judges done by President consolidated such of judges by President may feel alienation of President involves same as judges of Supreme Court misbehavior incapacity maximize High Court judge 62 years. Basic provision pointers High Court, Evans High Court, High Court, AC, later Bombay High Court, 83, Madras High Court, 18, first female High Court Justice Anna Chaudhary of Kerala, first female Justice Leni Seth Himachal Pradesh, number of High Courts in India 25. Removal same as a qualification, no provision distinguishing justice, 10 years advocate of High Court is held judiciary office of 10 year Article 2 and applicable certain provisions of both in Supreme and High Court judges inquiry 86, 19. Both an affirmation governor Article 2 and restriction practice after being a permanent judge restrict formal high court judges from participating in a court of before any authority in India except the Supreme Court and another high court Article 221 salary consultative fund of state salaries allowances being as expense right and determined by Parliament Article 2 and also judges by president after consultation with CGI. Article 223 Appointment of Acting Chief Justice when the position of Chief Justice is vacant and unable to perform any duty due to the absence of or other reason, the President can appoint another judge for the same High Court to act as a Chief Justice. Article 225 Jurisdiction Original Election Dispute of MLAs MPs by High Court applicant rate a governor does not need advice. Article 226 Rate Jurisdiction High Court wider than Supreme Court he can issue it on legal fund. Chair may refuse to issue right, but Supreme cannot. 227 Power of decision over all other courts. Article 228 transfer certain cases to High Court. Article 2 officer and servant and the expansion of High Court by CJI of Edo. Article action jurisdiction High Court unitary power Parliament Andaman and Nicobar Calcutta High Court Lakshadweep Kochi Kerala High Court Tadana Maharashtra High Court Pondicherry Madras High Court Tamil Nadu Chandrabhaga Punjab Haryana High Court. Establishment of Common High Court to almost state 7 Maharashtra and Goa has begun in Maharashtra, Arunachal, Nagaland, Mizoram, Assam, Common High Court, Guwahati. Article Appointment of District Judges by Governor after consulting High Court. Article 233 A valid of appointment of a and judgment detailed by certain district. Article 234 the requirement of person other than judges. Article 2 Indian Constitution High Court supervise authority over subordinate court which is within its jurisdiction. Establishment of court of record constitution appointment application of certain oath restrictions, salary and transfer competitor Auditor General of India, Article 1 Auditor General of India, Article 1 duties and power of computer and Auditor General, Article 150 specify the account of Union State, Article 151 audit union accounts, CAG submit report on union account to President who the President did in both houses of the Parliament, state accounts, cake report to respective state government who them represent in the state legislature. Move on to next topic that was dams, lakes, and waterfalls. Hydroelectricity power project, power multi-purpose project, fault control, hydrogen power generation, irrigation, tourism, negative drawback, display large number of tribal peasants, creating environment problem like biodiversity loss. MV potential energy plus kinetic potential energy is the energy that is stored in the object is an object due to its position relative to some zero zone kinetic energy to form energy that show and have a reasoning of its motion. Water can store again potential energy mentioned as the main promoted by Jawaharlal Nehru. Water dam turbines, electric energy. Important major Damodar Valley Project, India's first valley project, 1948, is based on Tennessee River of USA. There are dams built on Damodar and its tributary Tiliati Jharkhand Bokra River, Methoni Jharkhand Bokra River, Panchayati Jharkhand Damodar, Konar Jharkhand Konar. Another type of dam, earthen dam. Bhakra Nangal constructed during the first 5-year plan built on Satluj River consists of two Bhakra Himachal Pradesh Govind Sagar Lake from Bhakra Nangal Dam, Nangal Punjab. Highest gravity dam bears fierce force on its own. Largest dam of Indian term of area, Hirakund Dam in Odisha, Sambalpur district built on Mahanandi River. Longest dam of world India, 4.8 km, 25.8 km. Terai Dam in Uttarakhand built on Bhagirathi River. Highest dam of India, 261. Sundar Lal Bhagwan, Chipuka movement against deforestation, anti-tree movement. Fakar Dam in West Bengal built on Ganga River. Dam was built to provide water to the Hooghly River. Statewide Jammu Kashmir Dolas 3 hydropower project, Bhagir hydropower all on the Chenab River, Sala hydropower project. Highest railway bridge, Chenab River rail bridge is constructed on Chenab River near Sal hydroelectric project, height 359 meter, height 1178 Chenab Bridge. Krishna Ganga Tubal Uri all on Jhelum River, Himachal Pradesh, Ponga Dam, Maharana Pratap Sagar, Bias River, Chemran Dam, Ravi River, Naptar Jakir Satluj, Besar Dam, Chamba District, Ravi River, Basai Dam, Ravi Uttar Pradesh, Matali Dam, Lakshmi Bai River, Betwa River, large artificial lake of India, River Rian Dam, Rian River, Govind Ballabhai Patel Sagar Reservoir built on Rian River, tributary of Son. Gujarat, Ukai Dam, Tapi River, Karkara Dam, Tapi River, Sadasavar Dam, Narmada River, Kandan Dam, Mahi River, Panjatiana Dam, also known as Ajin Sagar Dam, Shahpura Kandni Dam, Harikar Dam on Satluj and Bias Confluence, Ravi River, Indira Gandhi Canal developed on it, two Thawan Dam, River tributary of Narmada, Bansagar Dam, Son River, Omekeshwar Dam, Narmada River, Indira Sagar Dam, Narmada River, Gandhi Sagar Dam, Chambal River, Rajasthan, Mai Bajar Sagar Dam, Mahi River, Bichalpur Dam, Banas River, Rautbata Dam, Chambal River in Rautbata, Jawar Sagar Dam on Chambal River. Maharashtra state with maximum number of larger dam in the country, Jakhwadi Dam, Govardhani Dam, Krishna Koyana Dam, large dam of Maharashtra, Koyana River, Isapur Dam, Panganga, Ujjain Dam, Krishna River, Panchatan Dam, Damodar, Mathoni, Telugu, Baraka, Konar Dam, Konar, Chhattisgarh, Indravati Dam, Godavari River, Hasudev Dam, Hasudev River, largest tributary of Mahandandi, Karnataka, Jog, Mahatma Gandhi Dam, Saraswati River, Linga, Maika Dam, Saraswati River, Saravati River, Shishudam River, Kaveri River, Almaty Dam, Krishna River, Krishna Raj Sagar Dam, Kaveri, Kerala, Priyai, Mulli Priyai, Iduga Dam, Priyai, Lifeline of Kerala, Telangana, Pochpanda, Tirupur Sagar, Kaleshwar, Lift Irrigation, Godavari River, Nagaraj Sagar Dam, Krishna River, Nizam Sagar Dam, Mejri River, Tamil Nadu, Payakar Dam, Payakar River, Maitri Dam, Kaveri River, Andhra Pradesh, Sirsa, Salam Dam, Nagarjun Sagar Dam, Somashli Dam, Paneru River, Nellore District, Krishna River. Types of waterfall: contract waterfall, a large, powerful waterfall that occur when a large amount of fast-moving waterfall over a cliff, large volume of water. Plunge waterfall, where water flows straight down without touching the cliff face below the water velocity high. Cascade waterfall, a waterfall that consists of a series of small falls where water fall over rocks or boundary multi-step waterfalls. Some important waterfall of India known: Kuchikal, highest waterfall, 4.1, Varai, Karnataka, Shimog, Jog, Grispo, Mahatma Gandhi, second highest waterfall in India, Saravati, Karnataka, Shishmudram, Kaveri, Karnataka, Chulia, Chambal, Rajasthan, Dundra, Kapildan, Narmada, Madhya Pradesh, Hundra, Suban Rekha, Jharkhand, Dudhsagar, Mandi, Goa. Highest waterfall in the world, Angela waterfall in Venezuela. Second highest in the world, Niagara Fall in USA Canada border. Niagara Fall in India, Chitrakoot waterfall in Chhattisgarh. Seymour waterfall, Berepani waterfall, Kandadar waterfall, Atpallia waterfall Kerala Odisha, Dundum waterfall Odisha, Korpata, Koka waterfall Karnataka, Ghataprabha, Nokali Fall Meghalaya, Hibbi waterfall Karnataka. Lakes of India state-wise: Ladakh, Pengongso Lake, Tosomora, Tosmori, Jammu Kashmir, Dal Lake, Mansagar Lake, Hular Lake, Punjab, Harikar, Khanij, Mahakad, Bhangra Sarovar, Rajasthan Lake, Pichola, Ansagar, Samba Lake, Gujarat, Hemisper, Kannakar, Naleswar, मध्य प्रदेश बोजता, महाराष्ट्र सलीम अली लेक, शिवसागर लेक, लोनार लेक, कर्नाटका अगर, उलसूर, काली, हनुमान, पंपा, केरला अस्तमुकवे, उत्तराखंड एंड तमिलनाडु ओटी लेक, चिदम्बरम, कावेली, आंध्र प्रदेश पुलकेट एंड कोल्लूर, तेलंगाना हुस्नी सागर, बदरीला और चिल्का लेक, वेस्ट बंगाल रास्कबिकल और रविंद्र सरोवर मिनी लेक, तांबेल मिजोरम, त्रिपुरा रुद्रसागर, अमरसागर, दुधवा, मणिपुर लोकटक, असम हल्फो, दीपोर, चिंदबुल, उत्तराखंड भीमताल, उत्तर प्रदेश गोविंद वल्लभ भाई पटेल सागर, बेलाग सागर, तोंसमो, किचमू और गुदम सागर, सिक्किम में, हिमाचल प्रदेश में चंदनताल, सूरज ताल, महाराणा प्रताप सागर और प्रकाश ताल। सबसे पहले जम्मू कश्मीर देखते हैं। हुलर लेक, लार्जेस्ट फ्रेश वाटर लेक इन इंडिया, इज नोन एज फॉर्म एज रिजल्ट ऑफ टेक्टोनिक एक्टिविटी। अंचारा लेक और मानसागर लेक, डल लेक, ज्वेल ऑफ श्रीनगर। लद्दाख पेंगोंगसो लेक, लेक तोसो कार, लेक तोसो मोरी इज अक्साई चीन बॉर्डर, सोल्ट वाटर लेक। उत्तराखंड दोदिताल लेक, भीमताल, रूपकुंड लेक, नैनीताल लेक, सूर्यमुद लेक। राजस्थान पुष्कर लेक इन अजमेर, सुवर लेक, लार्जेस्ट इनलैंड सोल्ट वाटर लेक, सैलिनिटी मोर देन चिल्का बट एरिया लेस देन चिल्का, उड़ीसा। जिस्मन दीबार लेक, सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट आर्टिफिशियल लेक इन एशिया, उदयपुर, उत्तर प्रदेश। केताम लेक, सुरुल सरोवर, आगरा, इट इज मैन-मेड रिजर्वोयर एडेड टू रामसर साइट इन ईयर 2000। गोविंद वल्लभ भाई पटेल, लार्जेस्ट आर्टिफिशियल लेक ऑफ इंडिया, सुबनदार डिस्ट्रिक्ट, हिमाचल। गोविंद सागर लेक, रेणुका लेक, हरियाणा। सूरजकुंड लेक, बिहार। कनवर ताल, लार्जेस्ट हॉसबो लेक, रामसर साइट इन 2000। गोजबा लेक, गुजरात। नल सरोवर, रण खच्चर थाल, रामसर साइट इन 2000। मध्य प्रदेश बोजा भोपाल लेक was formerly known as Bhopal Lake, constructed by Raja Bhoj Parmar Dynasty. Most famous and powerful ruler who known as established Bhopal city, Asian largest artificial lake. Maharashtra Bushi Lake, known as also called Kerala Lake, created due to the meteor Buldan district. Vembanad Lake, longest lake of India. Pambabai River fall in Satokot Lake, Astamudi Lake, Tamil Nadu, Pulke between Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, India. Second largest Brackish water lake, Kavali Lake, Telangana. Srisailam Lake, Nagarjuna Sagar Lake, Husni Sagar, Concert, Hyderabad and Sukuribad. Nazim Sagar Lake, Sikkim. Tongso Lake, Choluma Lake, highest lake in Songmotos Lake, Andhra Pradesh. Pulket Lake between Andhra and Tamil Nadu. Kolar Lake, Odisha. Spook Lake, Chilpa Lake, largest brackish water lake, freshwater plus water, first Ramsar site in 1981, Assam. Alphong Lake, Chandabudai Lake, Deepur Dibil Lake, Meghalaya. Brahmaparni, Umima Lake, Shillong, Manipur. Rohtak is famous for coolest floating over it, world only floating lake. Kelivul Lambuz Lake, world's only floating national park, lake of words देख लेते हैं. अफ्रीका लेक विक्टोरिया, वाइट नाइल ओरिजिन फ्रॉम हियर इज द थ्री कंट्रीज केन्या, तंजानिया, उगांडा. लेक तान्या, ब्लू नाइल ओरिजिन फ्रॉम हियर, साउथ. लेक टाइगर ही highest navigable lake in the world. Canada has the most natural lakes in the world. Lake Huron, Lake Ontario, Morin Lake, Lake Erie, Lake Superior, world largest freshwater lake. These lakes are known as the Great Lake and shared by both USA and Canada. Caspian Sea is surrounded by 5 countries: Russia, Iran, Azerbaijan, Turkmenistan, Kazakhstan. Largest lake of the world. Russia, Lake Baikal, deepest lake of the world, Black Sea, bordered by Ukraine, Russia, Georgia, Turkey, Bulgaria, Romania. And now move on to next topic, that was Delhi Sultanate. Delhi Sultanate. 1206 1526 for in first Muslim invasion Muhammad bin Qasim invasion 712 killed Raja Dahriya. He became from Arab in Sindh part of India. First Turkish invasion by Muhammad Ghazni 1998 10 and 30 AD country Turkmenistan. 101 AD first attack during the ruler of Jaipal attacked 17 times 1071 AD reason revenge from his father Subkunni death and loot. Death 1030 due to malaria. Battle of Wahind, a series of conflict between Ghazni and Hindu Shahi ruler. Battle of Pesa fought between Ghazni and Jaipal 10001 AD. Ghazni invades Somnath 1609 temple 10025 17 and last attack in 1027 AD. Jat looted Ghazni. Writer during Ghazni's time Firdus wrote Sahana al-Buruni wrote Talik-e-Hind also known as Kitab-e-al-Hind. Second Turk invasion Muhammad Ghori in invasion 1175 to also known as Muzaddin Muhammad bin Queen Nikauddin defeated the Ghori army in 1178 AD. Multan 19 defeated by Bhim. Second Ghori attacked by Solanki dynasty. King of Kannauj by Jaychand. The daughter sang Goti Tirain Delhi ruled by Prithviraj Chauhan. Battle between Prithviraj and Gofas. Battle of Tirain 1191 AD won by Prithviraj. Second Battle of Tirain 1192 AD won by Ghori. Written in Prithviraj Chauhan को Bojole early instead of Chamans and Chauhan dynasty. Chandrabadai wrote Prithviraj Raj. According to his daughter Jaychand Sangoti was married to the Prithviraj Chauhan. Ghori again invaded India. Battle of Chandravan 1198-48 between Ghori and Jaychand, king of Gadwals and slave dynasty. Khilji, Tughlaq, Sayyid Lodi. Kutubuddin Aibak, commander of Ghori, helped the battle of Tarain. Other slaves of Ghori, Yalduz, Kuwabaj, Bakhtiyar Khilji, destroyed Nalanda University. Bakhtiyar Khilji. The slave dynasty in 12068 1299 AD. Kutubuddin Aibak 12068 also known as Mamluk dynasty ruled belonged to Ibrahim Shamsi tribe. He ruled Lahore Kepi. He was given the title Lag given of Slag. He died in 2010 while playing chola or polo. He considered too much Kutubuddin Aibak एक दिल्ली अजायदीन का जोड़ा at Ajmer. Qutub Ilam next to Qutub Minar, made of Korba art technique built in 12th century. Ali had Jain monastery, Sanskrit Vidyapit, Adai Din ka Jogda Ajmer. He also began the construction of Qutub Minar in the honor of famous Sufi Saint Khwaja Qutubuddin Bakhtiyar Kage. Aibak was also able to complete the basement. He patronized writers like Hassana un Nizam, author of Taj ul Masir, and Faruddin Qutb Minar built by Qutbuddin Aibak built the first story. Qutb who added three more stories. Firoz Shah replaced the top story by fifth story. Qutb Minar Indo-Islamic structure 5 story 73 meter की Samsuddin Iltutmish 12 1136 he killed his son Ibrahim Shah, son-in-law of Qutbuddin. He made Delhi as the capital in place of Lahore. He saved Delhi Sultanate from the wrath of Genghis Khan. He attacked Transoxian region 1290 and died in 1227 AD. Nizam ul Mulk in Wazir PM looted after financial debt. He introduced silver coin Tanka and copper coin Jital, organized the Ikta system, piece of land. He set up the official nobility slave known as Chalingana Chalisa, a group of 40 Turkish slaves. Razia Sultan told her 1480, daughter of Iltutmish, the first lady and the only Muslim lady who ever ruled in India. Al-Tuni, governor of Bahatani, refused to accept of Rajia, accomplished by Yakut march against Al-Tunia, code language of Turkish Persian. Al-Tunia got Yakut murder and imprisoned Rajia in Kulumukura of Batinder. Later, Al-Tumin and Rajia got married. In 2010 AD, Rajia became the victim of conspiracy and was assassinated near Katial, Haryana by Khokhara. She portrayed Miaj in Siraj Chronicle wrote Tebike Isari Yaktwa was an Ethiopian slave Ghiyasuddin Balban 1266-1270. He was a Naib under Nisaruddin Muhammad. He broke the power of Chalisa and restored the prestige of the crown, established the military department Diwan-e-Arij, title taken Jila Ilahi, Shadow Balla, descendant of Afar Sharif introduced Siaji Petrol station before the monarchy and Pebbles kissing the feet of monarch as the normal form of salutation. He started blood and iron policy, adopted the policy of consolidation rather than expansion. His title Uglu Khan, other name Bahauddin, started in Nawaz Paris festival in Delhi Sultanate. Tugri Beg, the governor of Bengal, Sultan Muhammad revolted against Baban and declared himself independent ruler of Bengal. Last ruler of slave dynasty, Khaibuddin 1287 to 19. Important Wazir Prime Minister look after the finance department. Amir collect revenue. Amir Governor of Pragna Naib in charge of all other department except finance. Muftiya Wali या इक्वेदार the hold इक्ता. दिल्ली सल्तनत पार्ट टू द खिलजी डायनेस्टी आ गई. Jalauddin Khilji 1290 to 1296 he founded the Khilji dynasty. Alauddin Khilji 1296 से 13 nephew of Jalauddin Khilji. Alauddin imprisons imperialism गुजरात 1290 ranthambore 1301 मेवाड़ 1303 1305 जलौर कैपिटल चित्तौड़ जलोर 1311 real name Ali Gursep he was Amir Turko master of ceremonies Pandavat the king Hamir Dev Chauhan the first door was performed during this time. Pandavat written by Malik Muhammad Jaisi. In the Deccan, Alauddin's army led by Malik Jafar was an inch. The time taken after Deccan experience Sikandar Isai's second Alexander. Alauddin bought him for Gujarat market of 1000 dinar in Kafir also known as Hazar dinar. Ram Chandra Yadev ruler of Devgiri 1308 Pratap Rudradev Katakati ruler of Ranga 1311 Veer Ballabh Bhai wholesale ruler of Dasam 1309 Veer Pandey ruler of Madurai 1311. Court poet Alauddin confirmed the title of Tutiya in Parrot of India to the Khusro's his favorite court poet. Khusro's famous book Tugle Nama Sifab he started Kuwale in India, gave Sultan-e-Janta the title of Khilji. Alauddin Chera system for edification of his system, administration, inventory, dog, the breeding of horse, Chera, who led discrete role of soldier, impose heavy tax order all land to measure, and the share of the state will be fixed by special officer Mukta Harij collected the revenue taxes jizya, lived known on Muslims implemented by Muhammad bin Qasim. Zakat lived on Muslim. He introduced three taxes: Gahariya, house taxes, Charia tax on grassland used for grazing animals. Khazarite imposed peasant on produce 50% network was by intelligence officer. Spies started by Alauddin, Munihans and Berit. Three markets set up Alauddin: food, grains, costly cloth, horse, slaves, badane and cattle. Each market was under control of Sahaniya. High officer was maintaining a register of merchants, of people and their price. Check on market by two officers Diwane-e-Rishiyas and Siane-e-Mandi. All goods for sale were brought to an open market, Sara-e-Dal cloth market. Alauddin Fort, Alai Fort, Alai Darwaza, entrance of Qutb Minar, place of thousand pillar, Hajar Sultan, Woj Khan, Khas Tank, Ali Darwaza, Hajar Sultan. Sultan. Established second city, Delhi city built from seven cities at Kuli, Sai, Pitora by Thomar. Dynasty Dome of Alauddin, Delhi patron of art and learning. In 1360, Malik Kafur called Hazaruddin seized the throne after Alauddin's death. And Alauddin has two sons, Mubarak 1320 AD and Umar Muhammad killed. Mubarak killed Alauddin and Umar later. Khusro Khan 1320 AD and killed Mubarak and seized the throne. Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Last king of Khilji dynasty, Khusro Khan was killed by Ghiyasuddin. Malik took the Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. He built the city of Tughlabad and also Fort Tughlabad. Fort died in a incident was received by Julana Uglu Khan. Title assumed by Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Muhammad bin Tughlaq gives Sonda loan case in change of gold and the traveler during his time in Batuta from Morocco wrote Riyal right during his region. Jalaluddin wrote Tariq-e Fasai and Fatwa Jindar, also known as West Tool. By Texan transferred the capital 1327 from Delhi to Aurangabad. Devgiri had the largest kingdom of all. Fairly proposed Khusro expanded 1323, Quarachal expedition 1303, introduction token currency 1329, bronze currency with high value. Muhammad bin Tughlaq appointed peoples for a variety of background of high administrative position including Aziz Kumai, wine distiller, Firoz Haji, a barber, Manak Tabaka, a cook, Lada prior to gardeners, set up a agriculture department, Devane Koi built a city of Janapan. Begumpuri Mosque built during the Muhammad bin Tughlaq's time. Firoz Shah Tughlaq 1356-1388. The soldiers were not paid cash but by assignment land revenue of village Bajia. Jizya became separate tax during his time imposed four kind of tax accused mentioned in Quran. Khazra land 1/10 of the zakat, 2% tax on the property. Jizya levied on non-Muslim. Kham 15 booty captured during the war. Repaired number of canals and imposed higher Ilsari irrigational tax and Sialis water tax built Fatehabad, Hisar, Janpur in the names of Muhammad bin Tughal, Juna Firozabad. Fifth story of Qutb Minar. He was the first Sultan in India who started the work of transition of Hindu religious text into Persian language, established a court at Delhi, the Raul Sifa for marriage of poor girl, new department Diwan-e-Kabir, his PM Khan-e-Jana Mughal. Ikta system was hereditary. Sayyid dynasty, Khizra Khan, they were known as Kullu Darana 1446-21 till Rayat-e-Allah. Temur invaded 939. He was Mongolian invaded during the last ruler was Muhammad Shah Tughlaq. After defeating the army of Delhi in 1398, Temur appointed the Khizra Khan as the ruler of Multan. Khiz Khan defeated Sultan Daulata Khan, occupied Delhi and founded Sayyid dynasty. In Tariq-e-Masail, then he said, tell the Sayyid were the descendant of property Muhammad Lodi dynasty 1498 से 15 founder Bahalol Lodi 1451 से 88. Sikandar Lodi 89 1517 and capital city from Delhi to Agra founded by Beam 15 introduction Ghazia Sikandari Sikandari arts of 32 digit of major cultivated field. He was a poet and composed poem in Persian Gulkarisan pen name Gullu Ruki wrote मौत की मस्जिद Ibrahim Lodi 1517 से 26 fought Battle of Panipat with Babur 1562 Daulata Khan Babur. Central Admission Diwane-e-Wazir Department of Finance Diwane-e-Aris Military Department Balban Diwane-e-Risal Department of Appeal Diwane-Mustakara Diwana-Riyas Alauddin Khilji Mustakharat Diwane-Riyasat Department of Commerce Diwane-Koi Department of Agriculture Muhammad bin Tughlaq Diwane-Begum Department of Slaves Firoz Shah Tughlaq Diwane-Khayyat Firoz Shah Tughlaq Department of Charity Diwane-Isat Department of Persians